everybody. Today we got a big bucket of stuff and we got 2 Play-Doh surprise eggs, actually 3 ones in a cup. And we got this mountain sculpture. That's a slap bracelet. That's a little pool thing. Here how's it begins. I'm going to start with this level 1. Here is the fun.
Oh, what did you find in there?
A clown trooper. He's very low. Now, here's what it looks like. Here is the fun everyday. Put that right there. And now we're getting the purple bucket. Oh, and we got another dog. Another doggy holding 3 sausages. Stand him back up. And we'll put that right there. And time for this one. Oh, what's it gonna be? Oh, it's a Luke Skywalker. Put that Play-Doh over there.
Oh, can you hold them up?
I want it. Put that other one right there. And here's the castle. Now, here is this car. Put that right there. Here's a pilot. Let's put that. And here's our big ship. And how does it? And it makes noise. Put that right there. And there's these 3 balls here. I want to see the YouTube Kids video. These 3 balls for the puppy right there. And here we have this sip. Right here, I'll put this together. How you put it together is this way. Oh, it goes in there. It's that one. Bye, everybody.